So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know, it's EpicTourzZ, where it's all about fun, food, travel, and being able to work remotely. So here we are sipping on our Christmas breeze from Cafe Blue while waiting on the food from Crystal Edge. So if you guys ever in the area, Irish Town, feel free to stop by, get yourself some coffee or some, well, this was Christmas special. Sorry, I know we're in the new year, but I couldn't help it. So I'm gonna film a little bit about the food, and I hope you guys enjoy. The menu today was curry chicken, rosemary roasted chicken, stewed pork, and vegetable soup. So I'll show you guys that. Enjoy. Tina got
brown stew pork,
brown stew pork and some good food. Vanessa got
That's the way you take that picture. Y'all taking the video. What y'all get?
well, I got brown stew pork and she got rosemary
chicken.
roasted chicken.
I got curry, chicken, and white rice. This looks like a lot of food though. It's a lot of food. Okay. And guys, we have our bambusa straws. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed just a little, just to see a little bit about what is here in Irish Town in terms of Cafe Blue as well as Crystal Edge. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to check it out. Let me know about your experience in the comment section. Remember to subscribe, comment, share, like, and then of course click the notification bell just to make sure that you keep up to date with all the new videos coming. Alright, so let's go guys.